Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate a Zendesk chat in a website. All right. It's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and log into your Zendesk account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to the cogwheel in the left panel. Just click on it. Now go ahead over to Admin Center. All right. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go to the left pane and click on Channels. And here, just click on Messaging. All right. As you can see here, we always have this default web widget. All right. You're going to want to click on it and wait for it to load. Now, here's what it looks like. Okay, this is the preview. And you're just going to want to scroll down until you find installation. Okay, just click on it. Now, here's your code. So what we're going to do is just copy it. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and email this to a team member. If not, again, just copy it. Now, let's say, for example, we're going to try it, compile it. Okay. Here, for example, let's do this. Now you can paste it either right here at the right of the body or right before right here, the closing of the body. For example, I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to paste it. Now here's the code. Okay. This one. Now let's try to run it. Just for example, that this is your website compiler. Okay. And here I'm going to click it. As you can see here, here we have our Zendesk chat. That's basically how you do it. All right. You can go ahead and customize it or configure it from the Zendesk website right here, like the style responses and wait time and also authentication. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.